Hey, welcome back to another video. My name is Jeffery Baker. If you're new here, I would definitely recommend checking out some of my other videos so you can have a little bit better idea of what I do. So my goal is to make robotics and automation topics more understandable and easy to digest. Um, so this is episode 1 of a new series that I'm starting that is going to be a multi-part series, video series. Um, This series is going to be called Industrial Electronics. So hopefully by the end of this, by the end of all the videos, you will have a better understanding of what these systems can look like and also how you can utilize them. So to get started, I'm going to explain the hardware that I'm using and show you that. And then later on in the video, we're going to work on getting all of the software that you need to work with this hardware installed on your laptop. Okay, so to start off, we are working with, and I'll provide images on the screen as well. So this right here, I'm going to go over the hardware first. We're working with this I/O module, the input-output module right here. This is the TBEN-S2-4IOL model from a company called Turck, Turck. And this company has multiple types of devices and software as well. And they specialize in the connectivity aspect of different automation devices. So what this does is it controls, just like the name states, all the inputs and outputs. And this is a splitter. So you've got the connection for your Profinet or Ethernet, and then you've also got a power cable right here, and then obviously the cables for your sensors. I've got 3 of these sensors hooked up to this I/O module. So with these sensors, I'm working with, which is on the screen as well. I'm not very good at pronouncing this company name, but it's Pepperl+Fuchs, probably something like that. Um, this right here, this first sensor is an ultrasonic sensor, and then the next one over is a company called Festo. We have a lot of Festo products, like I've stated in one of my previous videos. But this is a Festo sensor, and this is a diffused light sensor. So it sends a light signal, and then in best case scenario, the light's going to reflect off of your object, and this is going to actually read that data as well, and so try to pick up a signal back. Then we've also got an inductor or an inductive type of sensor, and this can detect metallic objects. Okay, so those are the 3 sensors that I'm working with. And then those are, besides all of the Ethernet cable, those are all the hardware aspects. And then now I'm going to show just my computer screen, and we're going to go over how to download all the software that you need. So first thing you're going to want to do is jump into your browser and just search Turck, Turck. I just scroll down and then click on their homepage. So this right here is their homepage. You're going to want to go into products and then go down to downloads, right? And then in downloads, you'll see software. So click on that. They have a lot of software. It says 39 search results. So the ones that you're going to want to look for in this are going to be a Turck software manager. This is going to let you, obviously, like it says, manage all the software, the different software. And then you're also going to want to go ahead and get this IO-Link IODD interpreter and DTM. And then you're also going to want to get this Turck service tool. So yeah, and to download these, you go to the Downloads tab and just click on this, and then go to your download file. And as soon as you click that, it'll download. So we're going to need those. Some more software that we're going to need is going to be your IODD from your sensor's website. So typically, in order to get the software for your sensor, you would go to whatever brand the sensor is, you'd go to that website. So say for the Festo one right here, this middle one, you're going to want to go to, I just searched Festo, and then you would go to their website right here. So this is their basic website. If it'll load, you'll go to this search bar, or whatever search bar, and you can see it's in my recently searched, but you would type in some type of product or model number on here. So you just find that on your sensor. Then you go here, you type it in, which I'm just going to click my recent search, and then it'll pop up your specific sensor. Okay, and each website's going to be a little different, but you would just find somewhere that says downloads, and it's going to say software, and then it says IO-Link or IODD. So this is the software slash file that you need, and you go ahead and download that. Also went ahead and got the other software, so I just went to this website. Same thing, you type in whichever one you have, and then it'll pop up. So you're going to want to download those IODDs, because we're going to need those. So then we can go into the Turck Software Manager, which is this one, Turck Software Manager. And this will give you most of what you need. So we're going to need this software called PACTware. This is a frame application to where you can control all the different your different inputs and outputs, and also your IODD software. So that's what you need to control it. So it says FDT frame application PACTware. Get that. This IODD configurator, you might not be able to download it from this software manager. I had to go online and actually search and download it from their website. So that's the one I showed you before, which is this one. This is the product IO-Link IODD interpreter. So you can just download it from here. Okay. The next thing, you're going to need this DTM for field bus IO systems. This is what you're going to need to be able to read your input-output module. So it takes a little bit to open and download those. But once you're done with that, I'm going to stop there, because I just wanted to show you the, give you an introduction and then show you the software and the hardware that you're going to need. So in the next video, I'll go more in depth and show you how to configure your IODDs. Okay, so make sure to tune in for the next episode of the Industrial Electronics. And thank you for watching.